I never will forget on the day we went down by the creek, darling, just you and me, thinking about the love we shared, the promises we made. I take another drink, try and drown the pain, but the pain won't go. Steady it's hanging on, burning like a fire deep inside my soul. It's a fire that burns so hot that these old Georgia raindrops, they can't put it out. No matter hard they fall, hear the lonely sound of the rain beating down the tin roof over my head. It makes a sound like thunder, and it makes a man wonder if he wouldn't be better off dead. With no one to talk to, nothing to do. Here I am, darling, but where the hell are you? Think I'll give myself up and head downtown, see what's going on. I might act like a fool sitting on a bar stool, but it beats staying here alone with no one to talk to, nothing to do. Here I am, darling, where the hell are you? Hear the cars rolling past, lovers walking hand in hand. What happened to the two of us? I just don't understand. Rainy night in Georgia, and the tears fill my eyes. Hear the thunder crashing as the lightning's dancing across the sky. Rainy night in Georgia, and the tears fill my eyes. Hear the thunder crashing as that lightning's dancing across the sky.